It's now possible to connect an existing WhatsApp business number to Manychat, but it's not without risk. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to set up WhatsApp coexistence with Manychat and what you absolutely need to know before you connect it. So let's get into it. So normally when you connect WhatsApp to Manychat, WhatsApp recommends that you use a new number. And that's why most small business owners don't do it, because they don't want to lose their existing WhatsApp business number. Now, WhatsApp has introduced something called coexistence, and this allows you to connect your WhatsApp business number directly to Manychat. And this means that you can keep your number and your chat history, you can still use the WhatsApp business app, and you can use Manychat automations on that same number. So you have the best of both worlds. You have the automations of Manychat, but you can still use the WhatsApp business app. So let me quickly explain what changes once you activate coexistence. So here's the online document that Manychat created, and there is some important info before you start. So the first thing is that you need to have a pro subscription in order to connect to WhatsApp. If you don't have a pro subscription yet, I have a discount code in the link in the description that you can use to get 30 days of the pro plan for free. So if you don't have that, you can just use that right now. Then the integration of the existing WhatsApp business app with Manychat is currently in beta. So it could be that there are some issues here and there. And the previous message history from the WhatsApp business app will not be transferred to Manychat. So you won't have that in Manychat, but you will still have that in your WhatsApp business app. So it will just remain there. It will not be deleted. Then there are also some feature changes after the integration. So editing messages is not possible anymore. Disappearing messages is not possible anymore. View once messages not possible anymore. Live location sharing not possible anymore. I don't think these are huge problems because not a lot of people are using them. But the biggest one is broadcast lists. So broadcast lists will be disabled. And if you are a small business and you're using broadcast lists a lot, this could have an effect because you cannot use broadcast lists anymore. You now need to broadcast via Manychat. And if you broadcast via Manychat, you need to pay Meta per message. And I actually have a separate video on my YouTube channel about this. So yeah, you can just watch that video if you're not aware of that. But just so you know that you cannot use broadcast lists anymore. These are free. And now you actually need to pay to broadcast via Manychat. So those are some important feature changes. And then also there are some requirements if you want to use coexistence. So the first thing is that you must already be using the WhatsApp business app. So you cannot create a new account on WhatsApp business and then connect that. Like during this beta phase, new accounts cannot be connected in accordance with the Meta guidelines. Then also your WhatsApp business app must be version 2.24.5 or newer, so basically the latest version. And your phone's number country code must be supported. And basically, currently every country is supported unless of South Africa and Nigeria are the only two countries in the world that cannot use coexistence, but all of the other countries can basically use that. So taking all of that into account, and once you're ready, we can connect your WhatsApp business app to Manychat. And if you don't have a Manychat account yet, you can just go to the link in the description. Here we'll find my link and we'll find a discount code that gives you 30 days of the pro plan for free. And full disclaimer, this is an affiliate link, but it doesn't have any influence on the price you pay, and it helps me with creating free videos like these. So you can just go to the link in the description, or you can just go to chatamize.com/MC, and that will bring you directly to the Manychat website. And then here you can just click on get started and then log in with your Google or with your Facebook account. I already have an account, so I would just click here on sign in and then click on sign in with Facebook. So now I'm logged into Manychat, and if you go to settings, then you can go to WhatsApp, and then here you need to click on connect. So whether you're doing it with a new account or whether you're going to do it with an existing account, eventually you will come to a screen that looks like this. And then here you need to click on connect your WhatsApp business app with coexistence. Click on continue. And then click on continue again. And then go to the Meta login. And then here you need to click on continue. And then we need to select the business assets to share with Manychat. And we need to select the WhatsApp business account. So here you just need to click on connect a WhatsApp business app. Click on next. And then you need to enter the phone number of your WhatsApp business app. So in my case, that is Netherlands with these numbers. And then click on next. And then click on next again. And then we need to use the WhatsApp business app to scan the QR code. So I can just show you what you need to do. So I'm going to mirror my phone right now so you can see what's happening. So I'm currently in WhatsApp business app, and then here you have this camera angle, and that's where you need to click on. So you can click on this camera. Then I need to go back because otherwise I cannot scan that QR code. So then it gives me a prompt with, do you want to connect to the business platform? That's what I want to do. I will mirror my screen again so you know what's happening over here. So it says connect to the business platform. I click here on connect to the business platform. I recommend sharing all chats, and I click on confirm. And then it says, okay. And we need to scan a QR code again. So I'll just go back here, make sure we scan this again. And then it says that it's connecting my account, and this could take up to 45 seconds. So now we just need to wait for a little bit of time in order to connect these two. So now it says here that it is connected, and you can also see here that this is grayed out, so that's good. Then you can just click on next and then click on confirm. And then here it also says you're connected to Manychat. So now that all of that is connected, and we can just click here on finish. And here it says WhatsApp connected. So we can just click here on let's engage your contacts. And then once you have connected it, you will get a warning which says you have 23 hours until March 6th to import contacts from your WhatsApp business app. So when you click here on show more, then it basically says to you, you can import the contacts from your WhatsApp business app. And just know the moment that you do that, the number of total contacts on your Manychat account will go up. And because of that, you need to pay Manychat more. So let's say you will be having like 2,000 contacts in your WhatsApp business app and you want to import all of them, then you will have a higher Manychat subscription, just so you know. But here you can just mention what contacts you want to transfer. You can go with the last 6 months, last 3 months, or the last 24 hours. In my case, I don't have many contacts yet, so I can just select here 6 months and then import now. And then it will import all the numbers that I have talked to in the last 6 months on my WhatsApp business app. So that's basically how all of that works. So now it is connected. The last thing that we need to do is do a quick test whether these Manychat automations are working. So in order to do that, you can just create a new automation, click on new automation, click on start from scratch, and click on start with a blank. And we will just create a very simple automation. So you can just click here on new trigger, go WhatsApp, use send a message, the text specific words, and then it says, if the message contains delivery time, then we just automatically reply with a message with, if you order before 3, it will be shipped today. So we can click here on set live, enable the trigger. And then if we go to WhatsApp and we start talking here, we can say, what is your delivery time? And then it automatically replies with, if you order before 3, it will be shipped today. And that's how you can connect your WhatsApp business app to Manychat. And this is the first step. But the next step is to create a WhatsApp chatbot that automatically replies to messages. So please check out this video to learn how.